Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our phone. Guys you want to pair your Bluetooth headphones, guys you have any Bluetooth headphones and guys you want to pair with your phone. So how can you pair? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys you will have to guys click on guys your phone setting to pair your Bluetooth headphones. And guys first of all open your means on your headphones. So guys I have on already my headphones. So guys on your Bluetooth headphone and guys open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Hence you can see this type of setting. Hence you will have to click on guys your more connection setting, guys tap here. Hence you can see your phone Bluetooth setting, guys tap here. Hence you will have to enable your Bluetooth, guys. You want to enable, you want to disable your Bluetooth setting, you can enable and disable from here. Then I refresh. Hence you can see your available device. So guys my headphone name is Payton BT company headphone. I will tap here to pair. Hence you can see pair with Payton BT company headphone. So I will tap here to pair, then it will pair in my phone. And guys you want to check your headphone battery percent, guys you can check. I have 80%. So a headphone will pair, then guys we can use while operating any app, listening song, watching cartoons, movies. We can use our Bluetooth headphone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.